In Marin County, typically the court will allow the attorney to show up and do pretty much the entire case without the client ever having to show up. We want the client there typically. If it were a jury trial situation, sometimes if we have a suppression motion, but typically, and in most cases, most good DUI lawyers will be able to do the entire case without the client ever having to show up. The first court appearance is typically an arraignment where a not guilty plea is entered. And after that, it's until a case resolves, it's typically the attorney being there, setting new court dates, letting the court know that they need some more time to get additional discovery, or they're doing investigation. Sometimes just showing proof that the client, if they're required to by the court, is doing AA self-help meetings, that kind of thing. So the good news is, especially if it's a misdemeanor, which most DUIs are, unless you've got an injury accident or it's a fourth DUI within 10 years, or if you have a prior felony DUI, then we're dealing with a misdemeanor DUI, and you as a client will not need to show up, which means you don't need to say anything at all. It's important, though, to get a very good DUI lawyer who knows what they're doing, because I've seen a lot of lawyers who, for some reason, want their clients there in court when they don't need to be there. And that's just extra stress on the client who has a Marin County DUI case going on, and it's unnecessary. So, talk to a few lawyers, find out who you're comfortable with, who understands the system for DUI, drunk driving case defense in Marin County, and hire the best lawyer that you can, because this is your life, this is your future, this is your driving privilege, and there's so much more that goes on with DUI cases and how they resolve.